I want to make this really fun and really short, but this is a recipe, and I'm going to post another couple recipes, but this one is a sweet potato bean vegan burgers, and you can use any kind of beans that you'd like, and you can use canned or you can cook them. So here there's garbanzo, pinto, Great Northern, dark red kidney, lentils, any kind of beans you want. And on your sweet potato, you could take and use a can of sweet potato. These are all 15-ounce cans, or you can cook your own. So what you want to have is a large sweet potato or a large can of sweet potato cooked, and then 2 cans or about 4 cups of the, 2 cups of the beans cooked. That would be like 1 cup dry beans. And then a bunch of parsley, 1 whole bunch of parsley, any kind. And then you want to have a white or yellow onion. You also want to have a ½ cup of nutritional yeast. And you're going to use 2 cups. You can half and half this, or you can put 1 cup each, but oat flour and cassava flour, either one you want to do. You want to have the juice of a lemon. And then you want to have some Worcestershire and some Frank's hot sauce, about a 1/4 cup of each if you like that flavor. These are going to be a sweet tasting kind of bean, so it's good to spice it up. And then you're also going to need some salt, and that salt, about a teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and then the egg replacement. This is a great binder to put in. 1 tablespoon is sufficient for this. Just put it all in there. And you want to take and mix everything up. Just go ahead and mix it all up. And then you're going to want to saute it after you form it into patties. And your patties you're going to take, and you can use a little burger press or just hand form them. Saute them for 3 minutes on each side at slightly less than medium heat in your frying pan. And then line your baking sheet with parchment paper and bake for 20 minutes at 350. They'll come out looking like this, and they are amazing. They are amazing. And you should be able to get 3 to 4 out of this recipe. I made a double recipe, a little more than double, and I got about 12 of them. All right, there you go. Have fun.